Can I go in here? Oh my god! It's a jail! I tried to wheelie. I couldn't get it wheelie in here. Right up! Wow, these are jail cells, dude.